Make a great choice today with the 2018 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, fog lights, heated front driver and passenger seats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.